Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 12 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is a tool commonly found in a garden. And I've just picked a few things because I'm not sure where I'm going with this collage. So I've got gloves, work gloves. I've got this pot with these pots with a little trowel. Got this shovel and this bag, and I've also got this plow because I'm not sure, and I've got the basket. So I really don't know what I'm going to do with these. A piece of a postcard either side, and I've got these tiny little postcards here that I may use. A fragrant item from your surroundings, and I've got tulips and roses. Paper that has been stained or is stained, and I've got some coffee stained and jelly printed papers here. Something you could give as a gift. I've got assorted jewelry that could be given as a gift. And the bonus is a musical instrument, and I've got this man playing the accordion. I've got a few fussy cuts of some instruments. This girl playing the violin, and I've got this keyboard down here. So that's what I'm going with, and I hope everybody's doing great. And I am going to cut these out, and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Now I just took some of the background papers from the things I fussy cut, and I just glued those down, collaged them down, and just put some gesso over the top of it to kind of tone it down. And I think what I have done, I've kind of been playing around with this, so I'm going to use that up here. Let me flip this around so it's the straight edge, and I'll put that over the top. And this piano just happened to fit perfectly down here, and I love the way that looks. So I've been playing around, and I saw the little girl with a violin would be perfect right here. And let's see, I have got these jewels which would be perfect up here to go with the green. And let me see, I've got this I kind of want to tuck in there. That's my postcard. Let's see what else I've got. I have got the garden tool, her with the, so I thought about, because of the way it's cut, kind of tucking it in here. And so I've got my fragrant garden tool, postcard, paper that's got a stain, and something you can give as a gift, and musical instruments. So I like the way that looks, so I'm going to go with that. Now I'm going to go ahead, because I don't really need this yet. You know, I mean, I don't have to cut underneath it or anything. So I'm going to go ahead and glue it down. But before I glue down the other, I need to do some tucking in. So let me see. Need to find my small cutting board. All right. So I know this is going to go down here, and I know that's going to go up here. So this, I can go ahead and glue down. Just line that up, bring that down. I figured the green would kind of bring the green on up, so that's why I went with the emeralds. Now, for her, I want her tucked into these flowers. So I am going to go ahead and cut around those as best as I can anyway. Lift that up just a little bit. As I said before, I hope everybody's doing great. I'm doing pretty good. We've been getting a lot of rain, and we've had such warm weather and even close to the 80s, but they said next week it's supposed to get cool again. I'm not looking forward to that. All these pretty flowers and trees blooming, I'm afraid it's gonna hurt them. I'm ready for spring to come and stay. Okay, now let's see if I can tuck her in here. Well, let's see, I thought I had it. Okay. Okay. Still think I need like that. Let me go ahead and get this down. I have been watching Madame Blanc on Acorn. I'm almost caught up. It's been good. It's just a nice, simple, easy mystery. Okay, let me get her shovel down. Alright, now I need to get my postcard tucked in there. So let me cut around this. Let's see what I can do. I haven't done too much of the tucking yet, so this is kind of a new option for me. I've been watching Barbie at Nellie and Ruth Designs and Debbie. So, I love surreal. I just haven't gotten 100% comfortable with it yet. Tuck that in. Go ahead and cut that off. Kind of like it's poking out from the grass there. So I'll just go around the edges. And now I'll just glue my flowers and grass back on there. Okay. So now I'll just need my musical instruments. I think I can go ahead and glue this down. It took me a while to find the images. There we go. It's definitely a lot easier to do the other collages that I typically do. Okay, now I want to, I've got my piano down here and my violin. My violinist right there. So I will put her down first. Oops. Now make sure there's nothing else. Well, I can add the gardening gloves. See if there's anything else I might want to add. I don't know. I'm going to get the piano down. Or the keyboard, I should say. Go, and I think I'm just going to lay those on the keyboard. So let's see, we have got a tool commonly found in a garden. We've got the shovel and the gloves, a piece of a postcard either side. Well, you can only see a piece of the postcard. A fragrant item from your surroundings. I've got these flowers. If nothing else, I know the hyacinths smell good. I'm not sure if tulips smell, but I do know that the hyacinths do. They smell really good. Paper that has a stain or a stain. I've got this up here in my background. Something you could give as a gift. I've got this necklace. And bonus, a musical instrument. And I've got the keyboard and the violin. And I really think that turned out cute. I don't think there's anything else to add, and I'm pretty happy with it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel and check out the hashtag 2024CW12 to see what everyone else has made this week. Y'all take care and have a great and wonderful week. And until next time, bye y'all.